Have you ever wondered how to make money with TikTok and AI-generated shorts? Picture this, a platform buzzing with potential, where viral content meets cutting-edge technology. Enter TikTok and AI-generated shorts, a dynamic duo that's revolutionizing the game. As TikTok's popularity skyrockets, so does the demand for fresh, innovative content. AI-generated shorts offer just that, providing a unique opportunity to make a splash and earn a tidy sum. Stay tuned to learn the steps to make this a reality. First, gain a grasp of what TikTok and AI-generated shorts are. TikTok, a social media platform that originated in China and quickly took the world by storm, is all about short, engaging video content. It's a place where creativity thrives, where users can share 15-second to 3-minute videos on anything from dance routines to cooking tutorials to comedic skits. The platform boasts a massive user base of over 800 million active users worldwide, making it a goldmine of potential for anyone looking to tap into its revenue-generating possibilities. Now let's talk about AI-generated shorts. These are short videos that are created using artificial intelligence technologies. The AI analyzes trends and user behavior on the platform, then generates content that it predicts will be popular. This technology is a game changer in content creation, as it can help creators produce relevant, engaging content that resonates with their target audience, without the need for expensive equipment or extensive video editing skills. So how do these two concepts intertwine? Well, by using AI to create your TikTok videos, you can tap into the latest trends and user preferences without the need to constantly monitor the platform yourself. The AI does the heavy lifting, leaving you free to focus on other aspects of your business. Now that we understand the basics, it's time to dive into how you can make money. The first step in your journey is to create your TikTok account. Download the TikTok app from your mobile device's app store. Tap on sign up and provide the necessary information. Remember, choosing a unique and catchy username is crucial. It's the first impression you make and it helps people remember you. Try to keep it relevant to your brand or personality. Once you've filled in the details and accepted the terms, hit sign up again. With your account ready, you're all set to start creating content. Now, it's time to generate and post your AI shorts. Firstly, you'll need to create content. There are numerous AI tools available to help you generate engaging shorts. Tools like Lumen 5, Canva, or InVideo can convert your blog posts or ideas into captivating video content. Once you've created your AI shorts, it's time to post them. But when should you post? Research suggests that the optimal times to post on TikTok are early morning or late evening, when people are likely to be scrolling through their feeds. And how often should you post? For maximum engagement, aim for at least once a day. Remember, the algorithm favors those who post regularly. But don't sacrifice quality for quantity. Make sure each video is polished and engaging. Finally, engage with your followers. Respond to comments, like their posts, and follow them back. This will help you build a community and increase your reach. Remember, consistency and quality are key to gaining followers and engagement. Once you've built a solid following, you can start monetizing your TikTok. There are several ways to turn your TikTok views into cash. One of the most popular methods is through brand partnerships. Brands are always looking for influencers who can help them reach new audiences. If your content aligns with a brand, they might just sponsor your videos. Another way to make money is through live gifts. TikTok users can send virtual gifts during live streams, which can be converted into real-world cash. It's a fun and interactive way to engage with your followers while also earning money. Lastly, there's the TikTok Creator Fund. This fund is specifically for creators who have a large and engaged audience. TikTok pays these creators for their content based on views and engagement. It's a great incentive for creating high-quality, engaging content. By leveraging these methods, you can start earning substantial income from your TikTok account. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to make money from TikTok and AI-generated shorts. We've walked through the process from understanding the platform, setting up your account, generating and posting AI shorts, to monetizing your content. The potential here is enormous. Think $10,000 a month or more. With the right approach and consistent effort, you could be the next TikTok sensation earning $10,000 a month or more. So, why wait? Start your TikTok journey today.